PD20W fast charging cable for Apple iPhone. A cable alone cannot charge a device. It's the power adapter, charger, that provides the power. The cable's primary role is to transfer power from the adapter to the device. PD20W power adapter. This is the device that converts AC power to DC power for charging. Lightning cable. This is the cable specifically designed for Apple devices, connecting your iPhone to the power adapter. Offers optimal performance and compatibility. Includes both the 20W power adapter and lightning cable. Many reputable brands offer compatible alternatives at potentially lower prices. Ensure they are certified for PD20W charging and M5 certified for lightning compatibility. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.